1988 Fleer wax pack box. We're going to do two videos, 2 packs in each video. This will be video 1 of 2, packs 1 and 2. What are we looking for 88 Fleer in terms of rookies? The big ones are going to be the Edgar Martinez, made the Hall of Fame in 2019. That's going to be a $12 card. Coming in at $3, we've got Ken Caminiti, Tom Glavine, made the Hall of Fame in 2014, and Mark Grace. $1.50 is going to be Matt Williams. And then at 50 cents a piece, got Ellis Burks, Jay Bell, Ron Gant, and Jack McDowell. Got a couple of error cards where corrected cards were made. We'll have to take a look at the Keith Moreland and Jerry Brown. Those are both $1.50 error cards. Got some cards on the bottom. Very cool on that Tigers. Got Rhino. Got a little bit of time though before we get to those cards because this box is just over half full. Let's pull 2 packs. We've got, I don't believe I got this from McNulty. I believe I got this box from eBay. These are going to be 15 card wax packs. Let's take a look at pack number 1. Looks like the back of the Tracy Jones card's got some wax residue on it. I'm going to go ahead and toss out Tracy Jones. For the sticker, we've got a 2-banger, the Chicago Cubs and the Oakland Athletics. Good deal. Unfortunately, it's a little bit off cut. Cut a little bit diagonal. And on the back is going to be King County Stadium, or the Kingdome, home of the Seattle Mariners. For cards, we start out with Major League prospects, basically rookies, Chris Gwynn and Peter Smith. There's Doyle Alexander, interesting photo. Rupert Jones, Greg Harris, Jeff Leonard, Storm Davis, Shane Mack, Kevin Romine, Wooly Backman, Wayne Tullison, Doug Sisk, Dan Schatzeder, Greg Gross, and finally Mel Hall. All right, not bad. Pack number 2. Got some wax residue on the back of the Junior Ortiz cards. We're going to go ahead and toss out him. For the sticker, we've got a National League, the Pittsburgh Pirates. Nice. With 3 Rivers Stadium on back, home of the Pittsburgh Pirates. For cards, we've got Carmelo Martinez, Eddie Murray, very nice on the Eddie Murray card, Tim Belcher, nice, Reggie Jackson, that's key, definitely throw him some love, Bob Sebra, Dan Quisenberry, Major League prospects, Kurt Manwaring and John Burkett. Got Cecil Espy, Gene Walter, Jack Howell. That's in it. Look at that face. Lance Parrish. Superstar Specials card. Classic relief. Pitchers Dave Rigetti and Dan Plesac. Good deal. Got Greg Matthews, and finally Brad Arnsberg. So not bad in that second pack. We picked up Reggie, always a big fan, and Eddie Murray. Lost 2 cards to wax residue. All right, folks, there you have it. 1988 Fleer. pair of 15 card wax packs from the box. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned for video 2 of 2 coming up next.